Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Phone and target device must share the same Wi-Fi. Open the official remote app now. Enable Bluetooth and location permissions so the app can discover hardware. Tap Add Device or Pair immediately because waiting wastes time. If a code appears on the TV or device, type it into your phone. Once done, keep the devices within a few meters. This speeds discovery and avoids failed handshakes. Once paired, continue by selecting the exact model or scanning the QR code. This ensures correct command mapping. You will name the device and allow notifications so the app can send status updates. Make sure to test core buttons, power, volume, input, so you know which commands map where. If your device supports IR, Wi-Fi, or cloud control, choose the recommended method. It affects range and responsiveness. Make adjustments in settings to match your preference. Finally, save the configuration and pin a shortcut for quick access. Test a simple automation, power on plus volume set, to confirm macros work. Make sure background permissions remain enabled so the app runs reliably. If something goes wrong, reboot both the phone and the target device and retry pairing. Often this clears temporary network or Bluetooth conflicts. If still unresponsive, switch Wi-Fi bands or reinstall the app, because corrupted settings can block control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.